Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix a Roblox error 1016. So when you visit web.roblox.com and here you will see error 1016 origin DNS error. So if you're visiting the web.roblox.com website and if you're getting this error 1016, then here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix is to visit www.roblox.com and not web.roblox.com. So instead of visiting web.roblox.com, you can visit roblox.com. So simply go to roblox.com. You can refresh the page and this site is opening and you do not face any kind of error. So make sure to visit www.roblox.com and not the web.roblox.com. Fix 2 is to clear browser cache. So click on this two horizontal line at the web browser. Then click on cookies and site data. Then click on manage on device site data. And then click on this trash icon. And then again click on trash icon. And then click on done. And then just reload the website. And then you can log in and check. This fix has also solved the issue for many players. Fix 3 is to flush DNS. So in Windows search type cmd and open the command prompt as an administrator. So click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt, type this code ipconfig space /flushdns and then hit on enter. You can see successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now close this command prompt and then again just reload the website and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then you can also try Roblox app instead of using the Roblox website. You can also download the Roblox app from Microsoft Store and then check if your problem is solved or not. So this is an alternative solution. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily solve Roblox error 1016. That is error 1016 origin DNS error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.